Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you to my old subscribers, all those that have stuck with me from this beginning of my hair growth journey till now. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video. Please, if you find this video informative, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. The first ingredient we'll be using for today's video is ginger. Ginger is very good for hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp. It has a lot of fatty acids and vitamins, and as such, it stimulates hair growth. It helps stimulate the follicles to increase hair growth. We'll also be using carrot. Carrot has so many vitamins and it has antioxidants. Studies have shown that the vitamins found in carrot enhance hair growth. Firstly, we peel the carrot. We are using just one medium-sized carrot for this hair treatment. After peeling the carrot, we put it aside and peel our ginger. I prefer peeling my ginger with a knife because it is more comfortable for me. Ginger is a root herb that comes with much sand, and as such, after peeling, it should be washed. Now I'm grating a carrot using my grater. I'm using the smallest part of the grater. It grates it more smoothly. It's not smooth, but closer to smooth. As I do it, I'm very careful not to wound my hand. Now that I've successfully grated my carrot, I'm going to wash the ginger. The ginger, you see, is looking more beautiful after peeling it. I'm going to rinse it with clean water. You can also rinse it under running water if you feel like. This is more comfortable for me because of filming. Then after washing it, I'll grate it too. I am speeding it up so that it will go faster. As I do it, I'm also very careful not to injure my fingers. This grater can be very sharp. Now grating is complete. We are going to go to the next step. The next step is to place the grated carrot and ginger into a clean pot. Sorry, this is the smallest pot I have in the house for this purpose. I'm going to put them inside and apply avocado oil. 3 teaspoons of avocado oil is what I use. 1, 2, and 3. After applying my avocado oil, this is the avocado oil I use. I use this avocado oil, it's not too expensive. After applying my avocado oil, I add my extra virgin olive oil. Next, I add 3 full tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is the extra virgin olive oil I use. Baso, I'll add the link in the description. I got it from Jumia. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is a must for my hair. I use Sunny Isle extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Now watch me as I add my coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very good for the hair. I made this coconut oil myself. Next, I'll add peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is an essential oil, so few drops of essential oils are usually added to hair treatment. So I added just about 10 drops of peppermint oil. After that, we place everything, the pot on the fire and let it fry for some time. Stir continuously, intermittently, as it stays on the fire until it's as if it's trying to get burnt. It slightly changes to brown color. Then you take it down from the fire, and using a stocking or a chiffon, you then filter out the oil from the concentrate, leaving behind the carrot and ginger residues. So we are just going to do it right now. Watch me as I put it in and filter it out. Mouth pressure is exerted to press out the oil from the stocking. Follow me as I show you how to use this carrot and ginger oil on your hair for hair growth. Your hair will actually grow. It helps my hair. I really hope it helps yours too. This is where I store the oil. You can store it in any container of your choice. Then you can choose to refrigerate it so that it doesn't get bad. After like 1 week, it can get bad. So I refrigerate it immediately I finish making it to preserve it. Anytime I want to use it, I bring it out from the refrigerator and use it. Now I'm going to show you how I apply it to my hair. Usually it is my habit to always apply a moisture to my hair before applying any oil of any kind as a sealant. From the beginning of my hair growth journey, I've always said this is my habit, this is what I do. So I'm going to apply water on my hair. You've seen me apply water on my hair now, and I would apply the oil on my scalp after separating my hair into two portions. For the sake of this video, I will just be doing only two portions of my hair. Usually I separate it into many portions. You can choose to separate your hair into many portions while using it. Then if you have bald edges, you can use it to grow your edges too. I'm just demonstrating it to you how I use it. You can see my edges are perfect. I don't have thin edges. These are some of the things I use for my hair. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your female friends, even male friends that are having hair loss. Share to people so that they will know things that can help their hair grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.